Hey everyone, this is Sean from Sean's DIY and Reviews, and today I have the pleasure of reviewing this speaker. It's Tewell. It's a Bluetooth speaker. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. T-E-W-E-L-L. Got this on Amazon. On this channel, I do DIY projects around the house, as well as share my experience with electronics, whether it be phones, and many other products, cameras, and all kinds of technology reviews. So we're going to unbox and take a look at this speaker and see how it sounds. So if you're a company and you would like me to review your product, definitely check my homepage where my contact information is, and I'd be happy to review your product too. So let's get into it. Okay, so here's the box. Cardboard, plain kind of cardboard box. There is the side portable speaker. Speaker itself is a decent size, for sure. Probably about the size of my hand. And I'll put the specs for it as well. It has a little cord here that you can use to hang it on different things, I guess. Put it wherever you want. Kind of a plastic-ish vinyl maybe cord there. And then also with it comes a little package with a micro USB cord, as well as a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and that would be used for an auxiliary to go out to something else. Here's your power over here. Here's a little port covering here. So there's your charging port. There's your external port right there for your aux out. Plus for volume up, minus for volume down. It is in fact a waterproof speaker, and there are the various functions. There's a microphone as well as the speaker, volume up and down, play, pause, power button, tells you all the different buttons, aux port, reset button, as well as the micro USB port. Alright, so the next thing for us to do is test out the sound quality of this. I've actually listened to some YouTube videos, listened to some music that I have on Google Play Music, but I obviously don't want to get this video demonetized, so what I'm going to do is I'm going onto YouTube and getting some royalty-free music, and basically no affiliation with this. I just searched royalty-free music on YouTube, and I found this site here, and I'll put all the stuff that's required in the description so that I'm in compliance with their Creative Commons. Okay, now I'm playing the same song just on my note, the exact same song, and I'll do the same test. I'll put my microphone right in front of the phone. And of course we know phones don't have the best sound quality, so I'm going to go ahead and go back to this speaker here. Okay, so the final piece of our test is to drop this in water, as it's supposed to be waterproof. So we're going to go ahead and turn on some music here, the same song we were listening to before, which if you're interested in that song, go ahead in the description and you can download it from there. So here we go on that. Looks like it floats. Final submersion. Yep, looks like it works well. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I would definitely recommend this speaker for the price. For sure, I've asked a couple other people I know in my family. They all enjoyed listening to it. Can you get better ones for higher prices? Absolutely. But for the price that they're offering this for, I would say you could probably even pay double and still do well on it. So I have no problem whatsoever recommending this speaker. And I'll put links in the description below on where you can get it. So hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have another speaker that you enjoy. And thanks so much. Definitely consider subscribing and give a thumbs up. It helps the channel if it was something you liked. Thanks. See you on the next video.